What would happen if you fell into a white hole? No, not a black hole, a white hole. A place so strange, so violently alien, that even the laws of physics might tremble. A place where time reverses. Matter is ejected, not consumed, in the very fabric of space-time. Becomes a one-way portal, ... out. But could you actually survive the fall? Let's find out. First, what is a white hole? If black holes are the universe's ultimate vacuum cleaners, sucking in everything, even light, then white holes are their cosmic opposites. They spit matter out constantly, violently, and nothing can ever go in. At least, that's the theory. White holes were first predicted by mathematics, not observation. In the 20th century, while solving Einstein's field equations, physicists found a bizarre mirror image of the black hole solution. It had the same event horizon, but reversed. Imagine a black hole rewound in time. Instead of collapsing inward, it explodes outward permanently. But here's where things get weird. Let's say you somehow found a white hole in deep space, a glimmering, unstable speck of space-time. Maybe it's the remnant of a dying black hole, or a portal from another universe, and you decide to fall in. The moment you cross its event horizon, you'd feel something strange. Not the crushing gravity of a black hole, but the opposite. You're being pushed away. Your ship begins to rattle as it's hurled outward, not inward. Here's the kicker. No matter how hard you try, you can't enter a white hole. The laws of physics won't let you. It's like trying to walk backward through time. White holes aren't just portals, they're one-way exits. Anything that tries to enter is rejected, like the universe itself is spitting you out. So, what if somehow you did fall in? Would physics break? There's one loophole? Or more? Some physicists believe a white hole could be connected to a black hole-like opposite ends of a cosmic tunnel. Enter a black hole, and you might exit through a white hole. This bridge is called an Einstein-Rosen bridge. Here's the problem. It's insanely unstable. The moment anything with mass enters even a photon, the tunnel collapses. So, to fall into a white hole, you'd likely need to enter the black hole it's paired with and hope space-time doesn't collapse on you. As you fall into the black hole, your body stretches spaghettified by tidal forces. Time slows down, space twists. You pass the event horizon, and then darkness, but suddenly light. You're ejected into another region of space-time, thrown out with unthinkable force. Matter, radiation, even information that was once lost, now explodes outward from a singularity. This is the white hole. What you see is unimaginable. A reverse supernova, a place where time flows backward, where entropy decreases, where the universe unwinds. But this reality can't last. White holes are unstable. They leak energy, collapse, or evaporate. Many physicists think they can't survive more than a few seconds if they ever existed at all. And yet, some theories suggest white holes might be the seeds of new universes. In quantum gravity models like loop quantum cosmology, when a black hole collapses, it may bounce and form a white hole. Not in our universe, but in another. In other words, every black hole could be the birth of a new Big Bang, a baby universe. And if that's true, you wouldn't fall into a white hole. You'd become one. The matter that once made you your atoms, your information, would be ejected into an entirely new space-time. You'd be reborn as particles, stars, maybe even life, in a universe completely unaware of ours. From the outside, it would look like you vanished into a black hole, but on the other side, you are the white hole. White holes may never be proven. They may be impossible phantoms of mathematics, but they force us to ask deeper questions. Where does information go? Does time have a beginning or an end? And is our universe just one cosmic breath in a cycle of collapse and rebirth? So, if you fell into a white hole, you wouldn't be crushed, or frozen, or stretched into infinity. You'd be transformed into the next chapter of existence. Or maybe you were never here at all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed diving into the mysteries of the universe, like and subscribe for more journeys through space, time, and everything in between. Stay curious, and remember, the universe is always stranger than it seems.